Collard Greens TV. We're here today working on peaches and cream sweet corn. This will be the first year that we have attempted to grow corn. My wife is very interested in growing sweet corn, so I'm going to attempt to grow 12 stalks this year. Again, it's our first time growing it, so any comments that you may have or any tips that you may have, please leave below in the comment section or message us. You also can reach us on Instagram at Collard Greens Gardening. You can also reach us on Facebook at Collard Greens Gardening. We will have a Twitter account soon, but with that being said, I would like to show you the process that I go through to get ready for the setup of the corn. It's pretty much the same process that I've went through with the rest of the prep. Again, I get my seeds from Anchor Lawn and Gardening Rental here in Mount Vernon, Illinois. For anybody that likes to know, there's the phone number. Again, it's peaches and cream corn, as you see the price there. As you see, again, it's a fairly amount of seeds. I'm going to say there's about 40-45 seeds in the bag. As you see, I've already prepped these 11. So I have this one that I'm going to prep with you guys. But as you see, it was still a fairly amount of seeds. I have enough for next year. But I'm going to go ahead and start this. I'm going to attempt to start this because I'm by myself. Again, I'm using a seed starter. Again, I don't really look for a particular brand or anything like that. I just like to use a seed starter mix, and in this case, it's Burpee. So I'm just going to get a nice amount of dirt into the cup. Okay, now once I got a nice amount of dirt in there, I'm going to again spray with a little mist because I just want it wet, not really muddy. Again, usually I would let that sit for a couple minutes, but in this case I'm going to go ahead and plant. Again, I like to use a straw. As you see how far I go down. Usually I just kind of, like you said, I go down, make a little hole. I have 2 seeds already out. As you see what these seeds look like, Anchor has a very nice selection of seeds. They've been getting their seeds from old seeds for over 50 years. So everything I've got from them has worked pretty well. Again, I take 2 seeds usually. With anything that I do, I usually take 2 or 3 seeds, but with the corn, I've read that it's 2. So I'm going to place 2 seeds in the hole, and then I'm just going to cover it back up with the dirt. And then this particular time, I'm going to mist a little harder, a little more. And there you have it. Now I have 12. Again, this is the very first time that we've ever attempted to grow any kind of corn. Again, this is peaches and cream sweet corn. We will be updating you week by week. This is week 1. Today is March 5th, 2019. So we will be updating you week by week as they sprout. These will go outside probably week 9. I would say I'm probably going to keep them in the house for 6 to 7, 8 weeks. But I will update you. Again, leave us any comments, any tips that you have, because we are new to this. Again, it's Collard Greens TV.